Hey everybody, it's Jessica and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to safely unload and load a MAXX-D bin on a MAXX-D roll-off trailer. First, ensure your truck and trailer are on level ground and that the bin is securely attached before you begin. Activate the trailer's hydraulic system and slowly start raising the trailer bed. Continue lifting until the bin begins to slide off the rails naturally, while slowly letting the winch out. Keep raising the trailer bed while the bin slides down. Control the speed of the descent by adjusting the winch as needed. Now continue watching while we lower this bin in real time. Once the bin has fully touched the ground and is stable, lower the trailer bed back to its original position. Make sure to release any securing chains or locks before driving away. For loading, position the trailer in front of the bin, keeping the hook aligned with the bin's front hook. Engage the trailer's winch or hook system to slowly begin pulling the bin onto the trailer. The winch will smoothly guide the bin up the rails. Continue pulling the bin up until it is fully seated on the trailer bed. Once the bin is properly aligned, lower the trailer bed back down. Secure the bin with any chains or locks to ensure it stays in place during transport. And there you have it, loading and unloading a MAXX-D bin on a roll-off trailer, all while keeping your truck stationary. For more tips and product info, please feel free to reach out to us anytime here at Best Trailers. You can give us a call at 866-899-3906 or come down and see us in Byron, Georgia.